everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. It's been a little chaotic here in BC, but it seems to be kind of coming back with, noticed today that there was more meat and chicken in the stores, so that's good. Not a lot of shortages like last week, so that's even better. So I hope your area is doing great. And I have an unboxing today from Chanel. So pick this up and let's go ahead and see what I got. Got my blade. Alright, let's see here. And I'm going to be doing, I've had some questions about me doing Vlogmas. So I'm definitely doing Vlogmas, so you definitely want to subscribe. Because that's pretty fun. I have some kind of cool ideas, so I hope that you stick around for that. And let me go ahead and show you my bag that I'm using. This is pretty cool, actually. I got this from Personal Shopper in Florida. It was under $20 at Primark. This is a little coin purse. It does hold a lot. It's a little Walt Disney graffiti Mickey camera bag. And on the back, it's just plain with a pretty nice zipper. This isn't adjustable, but it's pretty cool shoulder bag. And this right here is even cooler. You can put whatever you want on these D-rings. So you can adjust this coin purse with the one with the D on it. And you can put it on any one of these D-rings. Or you can put this in the bag and then put something else on there, whatever you prefer. But this is like material, and this is obviously for less than $20. This is not real leather, but it's holding up pretty good. Alright, I just thought that I would show you that because I had some people ask about bag of the day. So that's my bag of the day. Alright, let's see if we can get into this here. This is Chanel Beauty. This is the 2021 holiday collection. I only got a couple things from it. I was thinking about the eyeshadow, but most of the eyeshadow colors I probably wouldn't use, so I skipped on that. And I don't really use like foundation or like highlighters or things like that, so I skipped on that. So I just got the two things that I would actually use, because I do like the holiday collections that they do come out with Chanel. They're really nice makeup, and they do last for like a long time. So they are worth the money, but I just came to my senses that I don't need everything from the collection. I just need stuff that I would actually use. So that's kind of my New Year's resolution. Alright. So I just get a plain box like that. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, it says Chanel. Alright, and they still give you the packaging, so hey Pandora, look at the packaging. This is what we like. I got a little card. Oh, look at this, is nice. Oh wow, look at this packaging. Woo-wee. Now that's some packaging. There you go. And you get some little swirlies, like we used to call them in the old days. And that's the Chanel card, I think. Yeah, that gives you your invoice and all that fun stuff. Alright, so that's cool. And what is this here? Oh, this is a card from hubby. So it says, Merry Christmas, love, Ted. Well, thank you, darling. He's so wonderful to me. I sure do love him. 25 years. And I'm still happy with my hubby. That's great. Alright, well, let's go ahead and put all the packaging out of the way here. And it even comes with this cool bow. Look at this. Look at the bow. Isn't that neat?
Oh, yeah.
That'd be cool if they had like, you know, this would be really cool if they had this as a strap. You know, like on a Chanel bag.
Yeah.
That would be cool, wouldn't it? Alright, and it's pretty substantial too. It's not like flimsy or... Huh. Okay, they're really outdoing themselves this year. But they have some pretty cool items, though. I mean, you gotta give it to them. They have the packaging. I know it's kind of spendy, but they really know how to do it right. Especially people that like the packaging. It makes them feel good or special. What do you guys think? Do you care about the packaging? Does it really matter? Alright, so it's the same kind of style as last year, just this packaging is pretty cool. That would be a very cool bag. It has Chanel there. Wow, this is really nice. Alright, so I got my samples, and they even put the samples in a bag. Now, come on now. Alright, so I got my nail polish, and I got my lipstick, and it's all featuring Chanel No. 5, basically. Alright, you got some more swirlies. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the packaging and maybe use it for something. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Alright, and I got a Coco Manueselle Chanel sample, if I can hold it up. So you get quite a bit, which is really nice, and this smells great. And I did get something for hubby. I got him a blue. This smells really good on men. I highly recommend it, and he really loves his. Blue. And you can get travel refills too. That's what Ted uses. And the refills are not that costly. They're pretty reasonable. And look at what kind of sample you get. You get a lot in this sample. So I'll give that to him. Here you go, hubby.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, darling. And I got Coco. So there we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the lipstick. And these are really cool because the tops pop up. So, goes down like that, and then you have the No. 5. Then you press it, and it pops up, which is pretty cool. And this is really pretty wearable lipstick. This is kind of like an orangey red, kind of a brownie color. So I'm going to look forward to using that. But this isn't they have a super bright red. And they also have what they, like online, you can try it on. And the super bright red, it was like too much. And I wear a lot of orange, and it was too much for me. So, I don't know, that was a little bit too much. It washed my face out and stuff. But, you know, it may be okay for you, but for me, no, it wasn't the best for me. So this was the one that looked actually the best. And I'll put all the information below regarding the number and all that fun stuff. So hopefully it will focus. If not, I will put the information below. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna focus. Okay, that's fine. All right, and then I got the limited edition nail polish, and this is a really pretty color, which I would wear. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what this looks like. It's similar to the lipstick, which is really pretty. And you just pop the top if you don't know. And there's the CCs in gold, which means limited edition. So I did find that out. I wasn't aware that they had different colors for the CCs. So they do. And apparently the gold CCs are limited edition items. So you learn something new every single day. And this is really pretty. I really like this color. And that's the Holiday 2021 limited edition nail polish. Or they call it nail lacquer. But it's super nice. And let's see here if we can focus on the number. It's the only one on the collection, but it's good to have it in case you do want to order it, because some of the items have already sold out. Hopefully that's focusing okay. Let's see if we can do the front here. Yeah, I think that may be focusing. It's hard to know. But like I said, I'll leave all the information below. So in case you do want to order something, definitely jump on it, because once this sells out, it's gone, because it's the holiday collection. Plus, it's limited edition. So, but I thought these two items were, for me, were the best items to get for the holiday collection. But I didn't realize that the packaging was so pretty. So, yeah, that's really cool. All right. So I hope you found this helpful. And make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and comment, and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. Because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. I'm really looking forward to giving away a brand new Loungefly. So, you definitely want to be in the giveaway, and I definitely want to give it away, because it's a very cool item. And if you don't know what Loungeflies are, they're mini backpacks from Disney. And you can only buy some of the Loungeflies in the parks, and some are only exclusive to other stores, Shop Disney. They're really cool little items, and they are pretty costly for what they are. So I'm definitely want to give it away, and to any lucky giveaway winner. All right. So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style. from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. And I'll be looking forward to Vlogmas. Bye now.